items. 20 items. Remember, some of you had pennies, some of you had cereal or erasers, whatever you had. Go ahead and find your 20 items. Get 20 items. Cereal, coins, beads, whatever you have. Something that's small that you can use with your hands and count. Lining up would be above the sanitizer. Yes. Just let me know when you guys are ready. 20 items. It could be crayons. It could be blocks. It could be cereal. It could be coins. Little pieces of paper. Whatever you have, that's 20 of them. Because we're going to do some practice with a subtraction today with your own items. Hi, Brianne. We're getting 20 items for math today. Make sure you have like cereal, coins, something that you can use to count with and subtract with and add with, all of it. We're going to be practicing adding and taking away with our items. So whatever you got. Could be cereal, it could be crayons, it could be anything you have. If you have little candy corn at your house, you can do candy corn. Whatever you got. If we were at school, I'd be doing candy corn. It'd be fun. Then you could eat it. But I know what you could do right now. Okay. So these are the only kids that are coming back. And you just have to find their name and then put them in the folder, the prompts. But actually, I should probably have you do both pages at the same time so it's not double job. So front side, right? And then I don't want this one yet, so just in the page protector. And then we'll put one of each, their name one, and then one of these. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. I'll let you go. Sorry. All right, you guys ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. All right. We're going to get started because we don't want to waste too much time here. So the first problem is get 5 items. Put 5 items in your hand. So I'm going to do that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I want you to get 5 items in your hand. And then show me. Everyone put 5 items in their hand. Okay. Now that you have 5 items in your hand, I want you to take 2 of those away. They're gone. Bye-bye. Bye. 1, 2. And who can tell me how many you have left in your hand? Brianne.
3.
3. Very good. Now, what if I took that 3 and I took 1 more away? Take another away.
2.
How many do? Oh, I didn't ask you. Mute, please. How many do I have now after I took another one away? Man, everyone's taking my stuff. Dennis.
1.
Up. So I had 5, right? I took 2 away, and then I just took 1 more away. How many do I have?
1.
How many do I have?
2.
2. Very good. And if I took 1 more away, now how many do I have? Who could tell me? Antonio.
1.
1, exactly. I have 1 left. All right. Now I want you to get 8 items in your hand. Ooh, that's a lot of items. Get 8 items. Or just place them in front of you is fine. Put 8 items in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I have 8 in front of me. 8 in front of me. All right. So I'm going to hold them up. I have 8. Give me a thumbs up once you have 8 items in front of you. All right. Your next job, I want you to take away 3 of those items. So you have 8 in front of you. And now I want you to take 3 of them away. How many do you have? Who can tell me? Antonio.
5.
Yes, you have 5 items. So if I were to write a subtraction problem, how would I write my number sentence? I want you to use the chat box, or you can handwrite it on either dry erase or a piece of paper, or you can write it in the chat box. So what would that number sentence be? We started with 8, and then we took away 3. So 8 minus what? 3 equals how many? So we just did it, right? So we have 8 items. We took away 3. So 8 minus 3. And what would that equal? How many do we have left, Kian? What do we have left? Go ahead, Kian.
5.
So it would be 8 minus 3 equals 5. So go ahead and write that. Write your number sentence and show me. You got to hit the equal sign, Brian. You're so close. Between your 3 and your 5, you got to hit the equal sign. It's up at the top right corner of your keyboard. It's the 2 lines. So 8 minus 3 equals. So everyone write it. Awesome job, Kian. Alrighty. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Great job, Brian. Kian, Antonio, where's your sentence? Number sentence. Can I see it, please? Are you dancing over there, Brian? Dennis, are you ready to show me? No? Okay, Jakari, make sure you have your 20 items. Right now we're doing 20 items, and we're going to be practicing subtraction. A little closer, Antonio, sweetheart. There we go. Great job. All right. So now get 10 items. 10 items. Dennis, you're fine. Keep going. If you're not done, that's okay. Keep going. You're fine. Everyone get 10 items. 10 items in front of you. Ten items. I got mine. Okay, this time, I'm going to write the number sentence on a whiteboard. And then you have to take away your items from that. Okay, so everyone should have 10, right? So if I write 10 minus 7 equals, you have to take away how many items? How many items do you have to take away from your pile? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Great job, Kian. 7. So everyone, take away 7 items from your pile. And then tell me how much. Type it in the chat box how much you got left after you take away 7. Oh, type it in the chat box how much you have left. Practice using your chat box. Great job, Brianne. Great job writing your number sentence, Kian. So if I started with 10, remember in subtraction, the biggest number always comes first. Great job, Dennis. All right, if you got 10 minus 7 equals 3, kiss your brain. Awesome job. All right, next. Ooh, do you guys want a challenge or an easy one? We want a challenge? All right, get 15 items in front of you. 15 items. Go. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Get 15 items. Woo! I'll have to use 2 hands now to hold it up. 15 items. Now I'm going to write a subtraction problem. Because you're going to use those 15 items to count with, okay? So 15 items, or 15 is our biggest number, right? So we always start with the biggest number in subtraction, okay? So I have 15. Give me a thumbs up when you have all 15 items in front of you and you're ready to subtract, because I don't want to rush. Dennis, Antonio. Just let me know when you're ready because I don't want to rush. Okay, Keon's ready. What's so funny, Jakari? I see you laughing over there. All right, I'm going to get started. So if you have 15 items and I take away 8, what's my answer? Ooh, so you have 15. Now I want you to take away 8 of those. And then you tell me the answer in the chat box. That's a big one. This is a big subtraction problem for a first grader. But I know you can do it because if you just use your counting skills, you can figure it out. So 15 minus 8 equals... Type it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box. Do you have a question, Dennis? No? Okay. Math is so much fun. I love it. What would it equal? 16? Honey, if we have 15 and we're taking away 8 of them, how many would we have left? So we got to think about it. Recount your items. Put 15 items in front of you and then count away 8 of them. They're gone. Push them away. Dennis, awesome job. Kiss that brain of yours. Jakari, you're so close. You just put a plus sign instead of an equal sign, but that's okay. I knew what you meant. There we go. Keon, awesome job. Kiss your brain. I know this one was a trickier one. But I know you all can do it. You can do it. Brianne, woohoo! You go, girl. And then Antonio, I'm waiting for your answer, darling. All right. Whenever you're ready, Antonio. All right. Next. This will be our last one. Then I'll send you off to do your assignments. Everyone get 13 items in front of you. 13. 13. You need 13 items. Get 13 items in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, give me a thumbs up when you have 13 items in front of you. Thirteen items in front of you. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Jakari's ready. Let me know when you're ready for when you have 13. Antonio's ready. Keon is ready. Brianne is ready. Okay, Jakari, I need you. Okay. All right, here we go. 13 minus 7. That's your, so you're going to take away 7 of those items. 13 minus 7. So take away 7 of those. $13 minus 7. $13 minus 7. Great job, Dennis. You're fast. Great job, Keon. You're fast too. Awesome job, guys. All right, Dennis and Keon, you may go and do your assignments. And Antonio and Brianne, when you're ready to show me your answers. Brianne, awesome job. You may go as well. Yes, Keon, do you have a question? Okay. Jakari, did you figure it out? Gotta figure it out.